Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on your Hyundai Santa Fe. First, gather your tools: a new bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and protective gloves. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine is cool before starting. Remember to wear gloves. Touching the new bulb's glass can significantly shorten its lifespan due to oil residue. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your vehicle's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You will see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the release tab on this connector and pull it straight off. Next, carefully remove the round rubber dust cover, which protects the bulb from moisture and dirt. Set it aside safely. With the dust cover off, you will see the bulb. Depending on your model, you might unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb, holding it by its base, and carefully insert it into the housing. Make sure it seats firmly and correctly. Finally, let's reassemble everything. Secure the new bulb by reattaching the retaining clip or twisting it clockwise until it locks. Replace the rubber dust cover, making sure it forms a tight seal against moisture. Reconnect the electrical connector, listening for a distinct click. Turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.